So see when you're saying them, you're making a pause in the middle, right? Take away the pause. So look, say what's this one? Yeah, what's this one? Yeah, okay. Now don't do the pause in the middle. He. Yeah? Ooh, without the pa. Just he. Just that.
Hi guys, my name is Wanta.
Hello, I am still Kev. Yeah. Hello. What are we doing today?
New sounds!
Yes.
And this is going to be a wee bit different because we have no other sound.
I know.
Like, or
Exactly. We're going to be focusing on only four new sounds.
And
isn't that crazy?
Yeah. Can I tell you these?
Okay, how about we do them like we normally do?
Yeah.
And then you can tell everyone. Okay? What's that one?
Bah.
You got it. Good job. Yeah, let's try and say that. Yep. Yep. You got it. Good job. And very nice. Okay, let's think about all of these four sounds and see if you can tell me something that starts with this letter. Okay? Okay, what letter is this again?
Fish.
You got it.
Leg.
Good job.
Horse.
Yes, very nice. And?
Box.
Yeah, nice work. Okay. You got all of them. Okay, I'm gonna show you some words. Do you think we can read them? Come on, read them, read them. Yeah? You got it? Instead of saying them, let's try and put them together. Ooh, without the p.
Him.
Yes, good job.
What's a him?
So if you're like referring to a boy, you say, oh, him.
Okay.
Would I call you him? What would I say? Instead of him, she or her. Right? I'd call you her. Let's see the next one. Okay. Okay.
Hog.
What's this? Yep. Hot.
Hot.
Yes, good job. What does it mean?
I'm not telling you.
What?
I'm telling you yours. Cover your ears.
Okay.
Cover your ears. It means of you something's like super hot.
Did you tell them?
No.
Oh, I guess we'll never know, guys.
Put it back on.
What are you doing? Okay.
Could you hear?
No. Probably because you weren't saying anything.
I was.
Okay, what's that? Yeah? Okay, put them together. Okay, start saying this. Ha. Oh, well. What's this? Makes ha. Yep, and then what's this?
Hot.
Yes, good job. Okay, now we're gonna do these. So. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna read the word, and then I'm gonna show you two pictures.
Okay.
And you can choose which picture is correct. Okay? Ready?
Will you tell me what they mean? Because what happens if I don't know what they mean?
Yeah, if you don't know what the pictures are, then I'll tell you. But I think you will. Okay, do the first two. So see when you're saying them, you're making a pause in the middle, right? Take away the pause. So look, say what's this one? Yeah, what's this one? Yeah, okay. Now don't do the pause in the middle. He. Yeah? Ooh, without the pa. Just he. Just that. So we've got he. Yep.
Him.
Yes, very good. Okay. So which out of these two pictures would represent him? You can just tick it, okay? Yeah.
Can I draw a circle?
Good job. Yeah, you can. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. You got it. Okay, let's do the first two.
O.
Okay. So what's this
O.
one?
O.
Okay, now say them faster.
Ho.
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 Yep. Ho.
Hop.
Ooh, hot.
Hot.
Yes, very good.
Do
Okay,
you know what hot means?
let's see. Which picture do you think is hot?
So,
Okay. Which one do you think? Good job. Do you know what this thing is called? Do you know what this thing is called?
no, temperature. So
Well,
you
it's-
like put it under your armpit.
Yeah, so it's measuring your temperature. This is called a thermometer.
Thermometer.
Yeah. Okay. How do you feel about these? Yeah? I think you did pretty well.
Next one.
Okay. Back to the board. Ready?
Yeah. Be.
Yep.
Be. Be.
Yeah. Big.
Ge.
Yep.
Be. Ge.
Big.
Big.
You got it. That's
I do not know what that goes as.
That's the opposite of small, isn't it?
Be. Ah.
Okay. Do these two first.
Be. Ah. Be. Ah. Be. Ah.
Okay.
Oh, we haven't had one of these today.
Oh no, we haven't. Okay. What's this?
Be. Ah.
Okay. Ba.
Ba.
Yep.
Back.
Ba. What's this? Yep.
Back.
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 Yes, very good. Okay, ready?
Be.
Okay, do these two first.
Be. Be.
Ba.
Bed.
Oh, well, yes, but this is bed. So that makes?
Bed.
Yes, very good.
Now you have.
See,
Yeah.
the word bed is actually really nice to remember which one is a b and which one is a d. Okay, so if you ever forget, do this, yeah, and then you think that looks like a bed, doesn't it? And then,
It looks like it's eyeballs, not dirt.
bed. See how? Okay, last one.
Cat. For the last one would be like
Okay, like this? Yeah?
cat.
And put it together. Ka. What was that?
Ka.
Yep. Ka.
Be.
Yep. Cub.
I think I know what it is, but I don't know how to say it.
You got it.
The
Cub.
cub.
Yeah, cub. What's a cub?
I don't know.
It's like a baby bear. You would call it a cub? Okay, good job. All right, ready?
Be. Ge.
Okay, do the first two.
Be. Ge. Be. Ge. Be. Ge.
You got it. Big.
Big.
Yes, very nice. Okay, which one's big?
None of these.
Well, if we think in comparison to what's next to it. So, because an apple is a normal size, isn't it? But then have a look at this. We've got the squirrel and a big nut next to him, right? All right, let's do it.
Be.
Yep.
Be. I could say, but just
Yeah, you remember it's only one. All right, tell me, what are the first two?
be. Be.
Okay, remember, we don't want to do that because we're putting a space in between them. So,
Be.
ba.
Back.
You're saying it. You're saying it. You're literally saying it.
Back.
Yes, good. Okay, what's this?
Be.
Oh, is it?
Okay.
Yeah, okay, let's do it.
Blah.
Oh, k. Yep. Okay, put it together. Ka. Yeah. Ka.
Cup.
Ka.
Be.
Yep.
Cup.
Oh, careful. Cub.
Cub.
Yes, very good.
So that's a cub.
Yes.
Done. Is our session done?
Yes, it is.
Yeah!
Okay, good work. So, let's tell the guys, what did we think about all of our new sounds today? Were you excited to learn some new sounds? Yeah? And we did quite a lot of reading of the words. How did you feel about that? Yeah? What do you think is a bit tricky about those?
Some of these are tricky, some of these are easy.
Yeah, that's fair, and that's why we practice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So next session, what do you think you'd like to practice more of? Do you want to do more of the sounds or more of the blending of the sounds?
More music in the sound.
Oh, you want to write the sounds next session? Yeah, okay, we can. Yeah. All right, shall we tell them bye?
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.